So well, my mic is fixed. Finally, I'm here, and we are doing Rust programming. Wow, wow! After so long time, I'm doing this tutorial. Well, it's been seriously 1 week. I'm using Rust now, and let's install this. Okay, first I have to install Rust. So for that, there is the command they was given in here. So that oh, that is pretty simple. Rust of self install. So this is what I was messing up with my mic and is currently just worked on. So where's my terminal? Here you go. First I'm gonna do okay, so I have to restart this terminal because it was just open and doesn't know that I have installed Rust, and then I'm going to install Rust. So yeah, it's pretty, they're gonna just remove the environment and everything. So now my Rust is removed. I have to restart the shell again. Let's go and copy this command. You know what, I have learned this command when I was just installing Rust. You don't believe me? I can just type. If you don't believe me, it's like curl, and oh, you think I'm watching it, but like for your preference, I'm not gonna do. Who's gonna waste the time? So and the URL was tools and install. If you go there, you will find this one. I will give you in the description as always, but who cares? Okay, let's go and install it. As this is a tutorial, so I will tell you, this will just ask for like proceed with installation, then custom installation. If you don't know like what are you doing, just go with the proceed with installation, which is the default one. And yeah, if you also love to install fresh built Linux, then you have curl installed already, because I do a fresh build without any software applications, nothing, no packages, so I have to do that first. So you have to just go and install curl if you're using like Debian one. So it's simple as sudo apt install curl, and then you're all set. Because yeah, dummy, because you see this here, they are using curl for it. And the best part is that Rust sh Rust up is also written in Rust. So and you don't even need a tutorial to learn Rust, but I'm doing this. I'm doing because on my sake. Well, yeah, I'm trying to show you my wallpaper. What I can do is not at 64 degree, it's more than that. I guess it's gonna use the whole tire. Okay, so it's gonna take some time. It's just about your speed, how much speed you have. So yeah, it's installed. So it's installed, and we can do the source one, so we can set up our environment. Well, I'll do this. Okay, now restart the shell, exit from it, and again restart it. There we go. Now we have the Rust up installed. I haven't told you, it's going to install the Rust up, which is so much crucial to for Rust. And the cargo, you're gonna love the cargo. So let's first check the cargo, if we have a cargo and version. So we have it, and Rust up, we're gonna also use the Rust up version, so we can check it. Okay, we also have it. The cargo is 1.750 and Rust up is 1.260. so we have installed Rust. Now what? Now we're gonna start coding. So make a Rust folder and just jump into it. Okay, I already have that. Okay, I clean the screen. I doesn't have any file here, so I'm gonna make init here. Oh, but that's for another video. So that's it for this video. Is like how to install Rust. All you have to do is this command, which is recommended by the Rust one. So it's gonna install everything you need, and just gonna set up the environment. Your configuration is already here, so you doesn't need me. Just install Rust, and on the next video we are going to do our programming.